beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have just discovered my channel, then please hit that red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. And also, these thumbs ups are very helpful, so if you like my video, do thumbs up, then it really helps to grow my channel, and I really appreciate all your love and support. So let's get into the video. Today's video, I am super excited to share with you guys what I got from Chanel. I did already open this box because I ordered this online and I wanted to check the item inside the box is not wrinkled or not damaged, otherwise I have to return the item. That's the reason I already opened it, and I tried to wrap it just like they do. It doesn't look that perfect, but it's not bad, right? So let me unbox these items, what I got, and I'm so excited. I waited for this item for so long time. I have some of my friends that they have these items and then they inspired me to get this item. So finally I have this and I'm super happy and excited. One of my wish lists is now checked, so I'm so excited. So let me open this. I told you guys that I already opened this one because my friend, she got her Chanel bag and she literally got the damaged piece. So when she told me that story, I was like, okay, I need to open this and see if it's a damage and I have to return it. It's right inside like this. This little beauty is inside this dust bag. Are you guys ready what I got? I am so excited. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that how excited I am. Ta-da! Look at my Chanel mini rectangular. Oh my gosh. I love this bag. Now I want this bag in every single color. So this is my first mini rectangular, so I decided to go with black and also with the silver hardware. The reason is that I have a lots of gold hardware bag, like you can see in the back. I have like black and gold. I have so many black and gold, so I decided to go with silver hardware, and I love it. It's different, and like I usually love gold. Like I like to wear gold and I love gold hardware for my bags, but this time I decided to go with silver, and I love this bag. This is such a beautiful bag and perfect size. If you guys know me, then I do not like to carry big bag, or also I do not try to put too many items in my bag. So this is a perfect size for me, and this is how you can open. This is definitely a very traditional classic CC logo up here, and you can twist that knob and you can open it right here. And I'm gonna take this out, and this is how it looks inside. This has like a one compartment, and back here is a little small pocket, and there is a one zipper pocket back here, and it has this authenticity card. I'm gonna keep it right here. Usually I put all the authenticity card in my bag, in the back, because I never use that back pocket, so I always put it right there. And I think this is so big enough for me. This has a lots of enough room inside, and this is my phone, and let me see. Oh, it's fit perfect inside, and also it has still lots of room after I put my phone. So usually when I carry a bag like this, I do not try to carry too many things. Even I don't put lipstick or lip gloss. Nowadays you don't need to wear lipstick because of course, like I do not wear lipstick because of the mask, but if I have to wear also, I try to put lipstick, but I always forget to put it on. So only one thing I do is like a few cards and driver license and one hand sanitizer. I think this is enough for me. I mean, like card even in the slot, and or I have a small card holder. I usually carry that one. This bag is so perfect for me. After I see this bag, and now after I have this bag, I really want this bag in different colors. Like next time when I buy this bag, I will definitely buy in a different pop-up color. Like I want in a pink, I want gray. I know that it's very hard to get gray, and yeah, I love this bag, and it's so soft. This bag is lambskin. I definitely need to be a little careful when I carry this bag. And back of the bag is like, looks like this, and has a little pocket here that I will never gonna use it, but it's cute. And this is how it looks on the side. This bag is made in Italy, and I love the size of this bag. I'm so glad that I decided to go with rectangular than the square one. I like the square one too. I think the rectangular might be more functional and it matches to my lifestyle, but I'm not very tall, and I will show you like how it looks when I do the crossbody. Also, I'm thinking that this bag is so versatile because you can use this bag like casual, like, you know, you can go around errands with this, or you can just go like, and if you have a weddings or if you have to go birthday party, you can tuck this chain inside and you can carry like this bag like a clutch. That's what I love about this bag. Let me see. I love about this bag is that you can carry in so many different style, like, you know. And I really do not like big bag. Like, see, you can put your chain inside, everything's here, and then you can carry like a clutch. Definitely I have to do a little better way. See, and you can carry like this too. So I really love this bag, and I'm so happy with my purchase, and I'm so happy that this bag added to my collection. And oh my gosh, like, you know, I just want to stare at this bag. This is such a beautiful bag. I am so glad that I finally decided to buy this bag. Lots of my friends, they have this bag in so many beautiful colors, and I'm ready to add all those beautiful colors into my collection. So I got this bag from Houston, Neiman Marcus. My friend me liked. Oh, she has a YouTube channel too. I'm gonna insert her YouTube channel name down there. You can go watch her. She has so many beautiful bag collection. Last weekend I went to Chanel store. They had like this big line. Now you have to make an appointment to go get inside, and they told us that, oh, we already have so many people in the line, so you have to wait. And we just decided to, anyways, you know, if you heard my story several times about Chanel, is that they do not have that like a really good customer service, especially like in Dallas boutique. I don't know the other one. So anyways, I texted my friend and I told her like, hey, I want to buy Chanel bag, and you know, this has happened. And she said like, oh, I'm gonna give you that my SS number, and she's in Houston. So Houston and Dallas, it just worked perfectly fine. And as soon as I texted her on Saturday, Monday they had this new shipment arrived, and she just texted me this one, and then magenta color, or like it's kind of purple color. I will insert the pictures. And then the red one, she sent me the picture like, we have 3 of these, like which one you want. And definitely I love the red color too, but I thought that black would be best for me right now since it's my first mini rectangular. So I decided to go with bag, and it was like a very easy, fast service, and I received this bag in 2 days. So yeah, so you know what, I felt like I don't need to go to Dallas boutique anymore. I can just text like, you know, any SA around the other state, and then whoever can find me a bag, they can send it. I'm so excited and happy, and really can't wait to wear this bag. This is such a beautiful bag. I love it. Okay guys, yeah, this is the bag. If you guys like this video, and before you head out, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit this like button to my video. It's really helped to grow my channel. I really appreciate all your love and support. Stay safe, wear a mask, and I will see you next week. I love you guys.